In this video I will show you how you can create a system restore point of your Windows 10 computer. We need system restore point for different purposes. Suppose if you want to recover our computer from previous point or previous day or some days before, then we can easily use this thing. So let's get started. Click on the start menu and start typing recovery, RECOVERY, and you'll see recovery icon is there and it is under control panel. Just click here, the recovery window will be appeared. From here there are three options. We have to choose the third option because we want to create a recovery of point like system restore point. Okay, so we just need to click configure system restore and then it will open this type of window. Okay, so from here we have to click system restore this tab and then the operating system or drive which you want to create the restore point. So I choose over there and then you have to click the configure. Okay, from here you must have to turn on. If you put disable, then you cannot do. So we need to click here to turn on the system restore point. Okay, and then what we have to do, we have to choose the space, how much we want to allocate. Okay, so right now I see current uses 11 gigabyte, maximum uses like this I will mention like 1%, 2%, something like that. Okay, and if you want to delete all restore points for this drive, you can click this. So if I click here delete, it will actually delete and it will clean everything. If there is a system restore point previously from this point, okay, it's deleting everything. Okay, so I'm going to clean everything because I will create a new one. Okay, now right now current uses 0 and max uses I can mention 1%, 10 gigabyte. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to click on apply. Okay, some of the older restore points will be deleted. Are you want to continue? We have to delete yes. Okay, then click OK and it's clear. Now we'll create a system restore point. So to create that, we have to click create and after that we have to type a name, right? For example, I can type a name like restore point and then I can put the today's date. Suppose today's date is like 5/6/2020. Okay, I can put this way and then we have to hit create and then it will create a restore point of my computer. Okay, so it will take some time. So once the system restore point is created, then you will get a confirmation message like the restore point was created successfully. Then click on close and click on OK. So because it is completed successfully, okay, then if we press OK, then done. Now if you want to check whether that restore point is created or not, you have to go the second option, open system restore. Just click over there, it will open another window. Just click next and after that you will see that here is the time 5/5/20. We just created a system restore point and this is manual, that's why it is showing there. So in this way you can easily create a restore point, and if you wish, if you need in future to restore from this point, you can easily do. Thank you for watching. In this way you can use system restore point for different purposes, and I believe after watching this video you will be able to do this thing. To create a system restore point for your computer and later you are able to use this if you need that. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. If you feel this video is useful or if you feel this video helps you, you learned something, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.